The international cruise industry has expanded rapidly in the last few years, and it showed no signs of slowing down till the coronavirus pandemic hit the world. The world witnessed what was never thought of, i.e., complete halt of the cruise business. However, the cruise shipping companies are doing everything in their power to sustain these tough times, and the industry is expected to come back at the earliest with some of the largest and most technologically advanced cruise ships in the year 2022. As more new ships enter the scene, the industry is more equipped to offer the best vacation experiences to its guests across the world. In order to meet the various preferences of travelers, the new technologically advanced cruise ships come in bigger sizes, with better amenities, and indeed, as luxurious they can be. Here we have a list of the world's largest cruise ships, ranked in terms of their gross tonnage and passenger capacity, among others in 2022. Number 10. Carnival Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is a 180,000 gross tonnage LNG-powered cruise ship operated by the world's largest cruise ship operator, Carnival Cruise Lines, and is currently the 10th largest cruise ship in the world. Built by Turku shipyard amid the pandemic, it was delivered in December 2020. The ship incorporates a pandemic-proofing plan with a state-of-the-art medical center for testing and taking care of passengers in need. It will carry a total of 1,745 officers and crew, which can serve a maximum of 6,630 passengers on board. Mardi Gras is a tribute to the first-ever cruise ship of the company, TSS Mardi Gras, which was launched in 1972. Number 9. MSC Grandiosa. MSC Grandiosa, launched in November 2019, is a Meraviglia Plus class cruise ship, i.e. it is bigger than its predecessor MSC Meraviglia, which was launched in 2017. It is operated by MSC Cruises, and this new flagship is 331 meters long, 16 meters longer than MSC Meraviglia. With 181,541 GT, it can carry a maximum of 6,334 passengers in its 2,421 cabins. In addition, it has the largest capacity shopping area inside the cruise ship. MSC Grandiosa resumed its operation on January 24, 2021 from Genova in the Mediterranean. Number 8. AIDA Nova. AIDA Nova by AIDA Cruises is the world's first cruise ship that can be powered at sea and in port by liquefied natural gas, LNG. It is currently the 8th largest ship in the world. The AIDA Nova has over 2,600 passenger cabins, with a gross tonnage of about 183,900 GT, a length of 337 meters, and a width of 42 meters. AIDA Nova is the first ship of the so-called Helios class that Meyer Werft builds for the cruise line AIDA Cruises. Following AIDA Nova, Carnival Corporation has an additional 10 next-generation, green, cruise ships on order that will be powered by LNG in port and at sea, with expected delivery dates between 2019 and 2025, leading the cruise industry's use of LNG to power cruise ships. Number 7. P&O Iona. Another LNG-powered cruise ship from the house of P&O Cruises, Iona, was supposed to start its operation in May 2020. However, its delivery got delayed due to the coronavirus pandemic, and the P&O Cruise finally received it only in October 2020. Iona is the largest cruise ship built to sail for any UK-based cruise line and is the 7th largest in the world. It measures 345 meters in length and has 17 passenger decks. At 185,000 gross tonnage, Iona can accommodate 5,200 passengers and 1,800 crew members for a high-end hospitality experience. Number 6. Costa Smeralda. Named after the Emerald Coast of Sardinia, the Costa Smeralda is a technologically advanced LNG-powered cruise ship operated by Italian cruise line Costa Cruises. It is the largest cruise ship commissioned by Costa Cruises with 185,100 GT measuring 337 m in length and 42 m in width. It can carry a maximum of 6,554 passengers and 1,646 crew members. She set out on her maiden voyage in the December of 2019 and currently operates in the Mediterranean Sea. The ship is designed keeping in mind different sustainable technologies, making it a smart floating city that provides luxury to its passengers and helps the environment reduce carbon footprint. She is powered by liquefied natural gas, LNG. This is one of the ships, which was delivered just before the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 5. Oasis of the Seas. Oasis of the Seas, the first vessel in the Oasis-class cruise ships of Royal Caribbean, was the largest cruise ship when it entered the service in 2009. She is the 5th largest cruise ship in the world. All top 5 spots are held by Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. Ordered in February 2006, the vessel was launched from STX Europe's Turku shipyard in 2008, marking the entry of new class vessels in the fleet of Royal Caribbean International. Oasis of the Seas measures 361.6 m in overall length, 7.2 m in height above the waterline and 22.55 m in depth, while it has a gross tonnage of 225,282. With 16 passenger decks, the vessel has the capacity to accommodate 5,400 passengers at double occupancy and serve a maximum of 6,296 passengers. Oasis of the Seas offers options from 2-story loft suites and luxury suites with balconies for its guests. Introduced many amenities for the first time in the industry, Oasis of the Seas features an outdoor aqua theater, an open-air corridor carved out along the length of the vessel and an eatery-filled central park. In addition, glass-covered solarium with pool, surf simulators, zipline, and rock climbing walls are the other best entertainment options available on the cruise ship, while the lists of sports amenities include 5 swimming pools, volleyball, and basketball courts. Number 4, Allure of the Seas. Another 362 m long Oasis-class cruise ship, Allure of the Seas, stands fourth after a sister vessel on the list. Built at the STX Europe shipyards in Turku, Finland, Allure of the Seas is the 2nd Royal Caribbean cruise ship in the Oasis-class series. At one point, she was the largest passenger ship in service. The vessel has a gross tonnage of 225,282 gt, a height of 7.2 m and a maximum beam of 60.5 m. Delivered in October 2010, Allure of the Seas has the capacity to house 5,400 passengers at double occupancy. Features of the luxurious cruise ship include a 2-deck dance hall, a theater with 1,380 seats, an ice skating rink, a concierge club and spa, and fitness facilities, among others. The vessel also has 25 dining options that include the first Starbucks coffee shop at sea, a state-of-the-art fitness center that offers classes like yoga and Tai Chi, and several whirlpools, including those overlooking the ocean, enrich the vacation experience of Allure of the Seas. The vessel also underwent extensive dry dock revitalization. Number 3, Harmony of the Seas. Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class vessel, Harmony of the Seas follows closely behind her sister ship. It is built by STX France at its Saint-Nazaire shipyard. The 3rd vessel in the Oasis-class series, Harmony of the Seas, was delivered in May 2016. With a gross tonnage of 226,963 gt, Harmony of the Seas has a maximum beam of 6.6 m. Featuring 2,747 staterooms with virtual balconies, this biggest vessel can accommodate 5,479 guests at double occupancy. Similar to its sister vessels, Harmony of the Seas offers all Royal Caribbean's exclusive features, including Central Park, Vitality at Sea Spa and Fitness Center, Boardwalk, the Royal Promenade and Entertainment Place, among others. Number 2, Symphony of the Seas. The Symphony of the Seas is the 2nd largest cruise ship in the world. She held the top spot until she was beaten by her sister ship, Wonder of the Sea. The giant cruise ship has 228,081 gross registered tons, measures 238 feet tall and spans 361.011 meters long. Symphony of the Seas is termed as the ultimate family's vacation destination with a bold lineup of energy-filled, heart-pumping experiences. This cruise ship offers the chance to go head-to-head in a glow-in-the-dark laser tag adventure, take the plunge down the ultimate abyss, the tallest slide at sea towering 10 stories high, or soak up some sun after getting drenched on epic waterslides and flowrider surf simulators. The 2nd biggest cruise ship was delivered in April 2018. Number 1, Wonder of the Seas. The Wonder of the Seas is the world's largest cruise ship owned by Royal Caribbean International. It was delivered in January 2022. The 1,188 feet long vessel will start operations from March 2022. It is the 5th vessel in Royal Caribbean's Oasis class of cruise ships. This floating civilization can accommodate 6,988 passengers in addition to 2,300 crew members. The Wonder of the Seas is equipped with 4 bow thrusters, with 7,500 horsepower each. This ship can reach cruising speeds up to 22 knots. The Wonder of the Seas is built differently than her sister vessels, boasting brand few amenities such as suite neighborhood, fully redesigned pool decks, and even an all-new aqua theater. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you did that. It does help massively with the algorithm and helps me release more exciting videos for you to see. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button and ring a notification bell. What is your overall opinion of this video? Don't forget to share your opinion below. Bye friends and see you soon.